Welcome to JobSkillshare.com. Today the video is about tool, and if you're coming from YouTube, this is a course that I'm teaching on JobSkillshare.com. So what you do is basically you register and then you go to this course right here. And this video is about updating computers today. And I'm going to start with a basic tool that I use to update computers at work, and nothing too fancy or nothing too technical. So this is going to be just a simple computer. Like for example, let's say Stacy called me and she said that I need to update some Java and some applications, or they send a request to ticket system and say, can anyone update this computer for me? We need some Java updates and all that kind of stuff, Flash and all that. Or let's say you're creating a new image and you install the Windows operating system on it, and now you want to install the rest of the application that are being used in a commonly being used in a company. So what you do is and I'm going to put this video under the left side section right here, all the way go down, and then you click on the updating tools and you will see patch my PC, and then the rest we're gonna go to the other ones and a little bit more advanced stuff. So when you click on it, you will see the video right here that I'm going to be recording right now. So here, so the first thing you do is go to Google, and now you're doing this on a PC that you're working on. Let's say I'm working on a client PC right now, and I just go there, and then of course you're gonna ask them to, you're gonna need some time, probably a few minutes to do this. So type patch my PC, and then you go to right here, download, click on download PC, patch my PC, and save it somewhere wherever you want to save. So I'm saving it on my computer here. I'm going to run it. It was funny, I saw a lot of comments today, not a lot of comments, just a few comments sometimes, that people come in and say, why don't you just show us the tool? Why can't you just work on that, you know? And they forget that this is a course video, so I have to talk about it. So I apologize to those people. Alright, so here, you see in this computer that I have to update all this stuff. And now if you weren't using this tool, you would be going through manually installing this stuff, getting it from some site maybe that will have it for you. So this is a very time-saving tool. So you guys should definitely have it on your toolbox. So patch my PC here, and then let's say for example I don't need Wireshark to be basically be updated. So what you do is you go to this tab right here, which is say other. My screen is kind of big, so it's not showing the whole thing. So you can do this, see that, and I can click on that, click other, and I'll find Wireshark right here, which is, I'm gonna uncheck this one. I don't need Macrium, and this one I uncheck it right now, and I'm gonna go back to this and see which one do I need and which one I don't. So I don't need to update this one, so you can just say always skip this update. You can also click on I will skip on this update, CC Cleaner. And if you wanted to install everything and update everything, could just go ahead, perform the 6 updates. It will prompt you for the password. If you're on a client machine, type your password in, and just you can either tell them to, once it's finished you can close it, it will be done, or you can stay there, go grab a coffee, get it, and just wait for it to do its job, because everything is automatic. You don't do anything. So that's why I love this tool, because you don't need to do anything. So all you gotta do is click perform 6 updates here, and it will do the rest. It will tell you that maybe sometimes your browser is open right now, so it's a good thing if you're doing installation here. Just close the browser. I'm gonna close it right now and let this work, because sometimes it will stop you and tell you, okay, you need to close IE, Chrome, or whatever browser for this to work. Now this now this you're doing this as a normal help desk person going to a desktop, like physically going to a client machine and doing this one by one, one on one. You're not doing any pushing here. We're not using any patches or anything like that, or not using any like corporate level software to deploy updates or anything. Most of the business environment, they have Microsoft system server that is using that have updating system. So basically what you do is you can send updates through it. The SCCM that we talked about, that can also do this job. There are some other big other corporate level softwares that can do this job, but I found it, if you're working as a help desk person, you would be doing this, because Java, let's say for example, Java updates are every month. They push some updates out, and most of the admins will test it out first, and then they won't release these updates to the clients. If there was any issue, it will be a big problem. Let's say if they send it out to 300 computers and there was an issue with that update, then you're the person who is going to be going around these computers and fixing it. So it is always good to, I think it's in most of the environments, people kind of leave this to a desktop team, and then they will go ahead and they get a call like, hey, we need to get a new Java update, can someone come down and update it for us? And so you'll just go there, and so it's easy for you to use this tool, because you can just take care of the other updates at the same time. So this is doing its magic right now. Everything is getting installed, everything is getting downloaded first and then getting installed. You don't need to do anything. Like I say, it's automated. So I'm just waiting for it to get finished. So you guys see, I got a message that this update requires the Chrome to be closed. So I don't know, my Chrome is open. I'm going to close it, and then automatically this will start its installation again. So you guys can see now it started again. Start downloading Java right now. So there you go. It took about 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it. It's done. It updated everything. If I wanted to update everything, I could have done that. It will be a little bit more time, but this is how you do updates. So easy these days. I used to do it single downloading softwares, and then keeping a copy of it, and it was such a pain. Now these days, just use this tool and you're good. So that was it for just single updating, and then after this you just tell a user updated everything, just close it, tell them if you're having any issues, let them know, let me know, or email help us again, whatever. So other thing that you need to take care of this is sometimes you have to open applications, like for example Adobe. If I updated this, I will get a message to agreement message. So just try to click on that. It might give that. See this right here. So yeah, this stuff, because if you don't do it, a user open it and they see, oh my god, what is that? Then you're gonna get another call. Just save your time. You go ahead, open the Adobe, and then accept it, and now you're back into business again. So just remember applications like these. So go ahead and you can just accept it. Alright, thank you for watching this quick video. This was just a tool video, and I'm going to be making another tool video. I will stop the video right here. Thank you.